In a swiftly evolving world, technology is evolving at an equally faster pace. Along with it, the demand for more convenient, more user-friendly and intelligent appliances is on the rise. Product manufacturers across the globe have started focusing more on researching consumer lifestyle patterns and designing appliances accordingly. LG, being a leading innovator, has always been the flag bearer of change in this area. Pushing the horizon, LG ACs have now introduced revolutionary AI Plus technology in its latest range of air conditioners. It addresses the consumer pain point for the need for more personalized operation through its deep learning. AI Plus technology further reduces manual intervention. AI Plus technology in LG ACs is intelligent enough to understand your preferred temperature and adjusts the cooling accordingly to provide optimum comfort and more energy savings by studying your usage pattern for over a period of time and cooling accordingly. With a multiple-step mechanism, it comforts in the most personalized way, wherein it begins with sensing and taking note of the usage patterns of the consumer. Next, it sends the usage data to the server for analysis and then intelligently utilizes the usage data to create a customized cooling pattern for the consumer's comfort like no other. The air conditioner self-determines the fan speed and customer-preferred set temperature to provide uninterrupted cooling and optimum savings. All in all, LG Dual Cool Inverter ACs with AI Plus technology understands you better to deliver the best cooling performance and better energy savings.